Ban betengye ke jing temu ban ai jing tep bat ban pensuto iki kenthai he ke bedai bat ke jing shitam ke balatep kum ka fallopian tube blockage. Ka Dr Arpita Sarmah, ka Chief IVF Consultant jong ka Janetva IVF Center Guwahati. Kalekran bat PCN ban batai bania halor kene ke jingpang bat ke ai ke bagi dei ban le na ke benta ban yo ya ke jing sumar. Hello doctor, good evening. Nowadays we see that fallopian tube blockage is very common in infertility. What do you think could be the reason?
We know that fallopian tubes are important for us for a national conception because it is the site where fertilization process occurs, or if we say in our language, then the union of sperm and egg occurs in these tubes. So if one or both the tubes are blocked, then natural conception is not possible in a female body. Now, in your next part, what is the common cause of fallopian tube block? I must say in Shillong, I could see the common reason for fallopian tube block is tuberculosis.
If a couple is diagnosed with tubal block, what is the next approach?
So, if you are diagnosed with unilateral or bilateral tubal block, we have two options for that. The first option, we will approach for the fertility enhancing tubal surgery. So, here we will with some pinholes we will try to clear the block, and then we will leave the patient for 3 to 6 months for natural conception. If that doesn't happen, the second option is surely the in vitro fertilization or IVF, where the sperm and eggs are fertilized outside the female body and then the embryos are put back inside the uterus.
Doctor, what is the success rate of tubal surgery?
So, with tubal surgery, as I discussed, there is a very good chance of that releasing at least one side of the tube, and we know that for natural conception at least one tube is sufficient to get a pregnancy. So, before taking a call for IVF, we could surely opt for tubal surgeries and then take a call for in vitro fertilization process in any case of tubal block.
I believe our viewers have benefited a lot from that. Thank you very much for your time, doctor.
So, if you want to know more about the laparoscopic myomectomy, you can surely contact us. We will try to help you. Thank you.